This video and its contents are part of a fictional, stylized, artistic series. This channel is made purely for your entertainment and enjoyment. All characters, concepts, or intense imagery are works of creative expression. This channel does not support or promote or condone hate, harm, violence, or any real-world abuse and/or illegal actions of any kind. We are not responsible for any real-world actions done by viewers who claim to be inspired by our games, videos, music imagery, or any of the sort. We also not responsible. If a child sees a video on the channel not of their own age rating shown at the start of a video, we imply clear warnings on the channel to remind our community to never act out real-world harmful actions of any kind in the real world. The things on this channel are all fictional, artistic, and meant to stay in fiction. This channel also contains unnerving and controversial themes. Thank you for watching. Keep it fictional. This content is fictional, artistic, and meant to stay in fiction. Thank you for watching. Keep it fictional.